What is up, YouTube? Matt with Chrome Donkey here. So we're going to do some mods today, actually just a single mod. I must say that I'm really disappointed in DV8 off-road, if I'm being honest. Here I am waiting on the front inner fender liners for about 3 months from 4-Wheel Parts. I finally decided to cancel that order, went directly to DV8 off-road, placed the order online for the JLJT front inner fender liners, double checked myself. I was shocked because they actually sent them quite quickly compared to like a almost 3-month delay with 4-Wheel Parts. And you know, I didn't check the part number, I just got the box, you know, as you guys saw in my last video, and I knew that I had to paint the screens. So I opened them up, found all the screens, there was just 2. Pulled them off and got those screens painted. Well, I was watching the installation video this morning, getting geared up to do the mods, and I started noticing that mine looked a lot different than the ones that everybody were showing on their install videos. And come to find out that on the JLJT you actually have screens on both pieces. So you have like a screen here and then a screen on the downward piece, and mine only showed a screen right here. And I started looking deeper. Sure enough, the guy sent me the wrong damn part. So they sent me the JK front inner fender liners, not the JLJT. So here I am with painted screens, wrong part. So I sent an email, we'll see how that shakes out, and if they do me right, I'll be sure to leave a review, and of course if they do me wrong, I'm gonna say the same thing, right? Because it's customer service 101, and here lately, I have been getting screwed with horrible customer service. So it's about time something swings in my direction on that front, so hopefully they'll do me right. So what we're doing today, the Redline Tuning hood struts. This should be just a mad simple installation, right? Because really you've got your 2 gas struts, and then you have 4 brackets. You've got brackets that mount to the fender, and then you have brackets that mount to the hood. You snap them in, you're done. So we'll see how easy this goes, and stay tuned. Okay guys, that's a wrap. Let me give you a real quick explanation of how easy this was. There was literally no point in doing an install video because the instructions were phenomenal, step-by-step picture illustrations, and really it's super simple. 10mm bolt right here, same on the other side, it's the rear bolt. You install these brackets just like this, and they're super easy. They're labeled 28 and 29, so you know which side is driver and passenger. And then up here you've got these brackets, which are identical. And literally all you do is take one of these nuts out. It's got a little metal sleeve that goes inside a notch that's right here in the hood, and you get it in, and then you line it up, tighten those 2 up, you're done. And then it's literally just snapping on the shock, and that's it. So you got the large part of the body of the shock up top. You've got the small extended arm here. If you ever want to lay the actual hood against the windshield, you still have that option with this quick disconnect arm. And yeah, so just to give you guys a quick demo, right? So there's it all the way closed, and there we go, and it raises it just like that. So super simple, closes with no clearance issues. You can leave your arm in the permanent stowed position, and that's it. And I chose to go with the Elite version of the Redline, so get a little bit cleaner look, a little bit better shock, and they look really nice under the hood of the Jeep, I think. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned and stay safe and stay healthy, everyone.